Hello guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. Today I am going to show you how to export transparent background videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First of all, we have created a new sequence and then we'll insert our footage into the sequence. After that, we'll scale this footage to the frame size. Then we'll apply color key effect from the effects panel on the clip and we'll choose the color which we want to remove. After that, we'll increase the color tolerance here and increase some edge feather. We can see most of the background of our footage has been removed, but there is still some background. So therefore we apply another color key effect on the video track 1 and we'll create a mask around the portion which we want to remove. We'll similarly increase the color tolerance and we can see that there is still some background color around our object, so we'll apply a ultra K effect from the effects panel on the video track 1 and we'll choose the color. We'll change the parameters of the ultra K effect to remove the background color around the object. After that, we'll export the portion which we need and we'll choose the QuickTime format and we'll choose the preset to Apple Pro Resolution 4444. Select render at maximum depth. We'll select the option from the depth 8 bpc plus alpha. We'll export it. After that, we'll import our output and then we'll select a background, insert it to the video track 1 and scale the background. So in this video we can see that how we can export transparent background videos and how can we change the background of our video. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro.